Hey, thanks for watching my Promo.com demo video. And in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about Promo.com and tell you why you may or may not want to use it. And I'm going to actually walk through and create a video for you. At the end of this video, I'm also going to tell you about a free additional training if you're interested in that. But let's go ahead and get started with the demo. Now, Promo.com is an online platform, so that means you don't have to store anything on your computer. So if you work from a desktop or a laptop or both, you're able to transfer those back and forth, and you don't have to have all your information, maybe in one place. Now, they allow you to either work from templates or you can create custom content. I find that oftentimes templates are easier, and you can really go through here and pick out whatever you want. Let's say maybe you're into real estate. You kind of come through here and you see just a variety of different real estate style videos. I like that you can kind of pick this one. You can preview it if you want to and just kind of watch what it's going to show. Now, in the same way, you can also pick your own video. So this one has to do with real estate. And you see these people are kind of moving into their house, and it gives you the option to either go with a square or a vertical style video. Obviously, you'll need to pick whichever one of those would work for whatever it is that you're doing. But let's say you wanted to create a real estate style video. So let's come over here and pick this one right here. But let's say we want to do a desktop version. Okay, so if that's one that you decided you liked, you just go here and click customize, and that's going to load up this project for you. All right, you can see down here, this is kind of like your timeline, almost like you're editing a video, which technically you are editing a video, but this is just where things pop up. So you see here, it says time for a real house, we can help, and then the outro. Over here, you'll see the different text styles. And if you wanted something that looked more like this, you can make it kind of pop up. So there's just a ton of things that you can really do and really make this your own. So let's say we pick this one and we want to change that up a little bit. If we want to change our font, just click here, and then you see your font changes. Obviously, the color, you can make it, whatever color you want. You can also add your own custom color. So if you have a very specific brand color, you can do that here. Another cool thing is you've got your My Brand section. So if you have a certain brand, you don't have to redo everything every single time. So if you want to change your verbiage here, you just click on this a few times, and then from there you just type in whatever you want. Tired of renting, and then you just click done, and there you go, it pops up, tired of renting. So you can come over here, you can press play, tired of renting. Okay, and then it's going to go through the rest of the video, which I didn't change. But I wanted to just give you the example of what that looks like. So if we come back here and we want to move this over, we can move that. Let's say that was covering the little people up too much. You can also make it smaller if you wanted to go there. You can just stick it wherever you really want this to be. And as I showed you earlier, if you want this to be red, you can do that. Obviously, if you want to go over here and change this pop-up, you can do that too. We can help. I think that's fine. So at that point, you can press the play button and get another preview. So the little people pop up here. We can help. And then they have what's called the outro. Your logo, business of growth, your dreams, our mission. Another thing is that let's say maybe that music was a little depressing and you don't want that kind of music. There are a ton of different styles of music that you can sit here and listen to and go through. You can look through it by the mood itself. So epic, fancy, funny. I mean, it's just a lot you can really go through here and really narrow that down. At that point, if you like your video, you just come over here and click save and preview. So maybe you're working with somebody else, or you need to get confirmation on it or whatever. You click share link, and you can share it via Messenger. You can copy the link itself and send that to somebody. And that's just a good way to share it before you actually create the video itself. So if you see something that you need to change after you're previewing it, just click customize, and that will take you right back to the editor. All right, so if you want a free trial of Promo, find out if it's going to be a good fit for you, go ahead and type in this link that you see right here, or you can click on it. It's going to be in the top of the comment section and in the description. And if you do that, I told you earlier that I'm going to throw in a bonus, and that bonus is this right here. It's called 6 Simple Tips to Make Your Phone Videos Look More Professional. You're already looking at creating some video content, and this is a video series I actually put together, and I'm including it if you purchase, again, through the link that you see over here. And they go through a video series and tell you about different ways that you can actually pull out your phone, shoot some video content for your business, and going over everything like good audio, filling your frame, having a clear topic. So again, I'm going to include that if you wind up getting promo through this specific link and you wind up helping support this channel. I'm going to throw that in absolutely free. Again, all you need to do is type in the URL that you see right here, or you can click on it in the description or at the top of the comment section, and you're going to get your free trial of promo. Get started on that, and I'm going to add this video series completely for free. I hope the demo was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section.